Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here to share layout number 5 for the January 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge that I'm doing. I pulled out 7 photos, or 7 bundles of photos if you will, to create 7 different layouts with my January kit. So I've gone through my albums and pulled out the photos to work on 7 separate layouts, and this is actually layout number 5 that I'm about to start on today. I am using a sketch, and it is this one, and I will put a close-up. It is a 1-photo sketch, and I have pulled 1 photo. Other things that I plan to use along the way is this stamp set, and I actually pulled out some Versamark and some white embossing powder. Yeah, older, close to my heart white embossing powder. I'm gonna work with that as best I can. You know, my goal is to use more supplies, mixed media type supplies this year. Whether that'll actually happen, I don't know. I pulled in my liquid pearls, again the silver, because I thought it would go well. I pulled in these gemstones, the red gemstones, and the stamp set I showed you. I have pulled both of the alphabets, the black foam and then the red tile, and I've actually broken into that second set to get an O. Look at all of those Q's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Q's. Who's ever going to use 6 Q's? Yeah, anywho. So I've used more of these, and I actually had to dip into it a second time. I did on my last layout, and I pulled another S from there to use on this layout. I have pulled my brads. I have pulled these cork with silver metallic embossing on them, and I have pulled out all of these sticker sheets that I have left. You can see I don't have a lot of sticker sheets left. I mean, I have a lot on here, I have quite a few left on there, and I have quite a few left on there, but as far as stickers go, I only have these 4 sheets to work with, so I've pulled them to use. And then my title, of course, I have laid out, and this is what I have pulled so far. I have the red paper, the cardstock, and then I have this floral design here, and I'm going to cut the center out of that because the red is actually going to be on top of that. That is just going to show around the border, so I'm going to cut the center of this to use on possibly a different layout. I pulled a 6x6 piece of paper, and then I pulled a scrap of that textured paper that I had added in. And then I pulled a 3x4 journal card, and it's going to look something like this, similar to what the sketch has. I don't know if you can tell all that across there. And then I'll do some embellishing at the top and then down below here. So we'll see what I create here in just a few minutes. I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. See you in a second. Okay friends, I have another layout completed. This will be layout number 5. There's my sketch. It is a page maps from January 2021. This is the only scrap of paper that I have left, and this is what I cut out of the center of that background paper. I did not end up using either of these, the silver embossed cork arrow stickers or these round stickers. They just didn't work out on this layout. I used plenty of other stuff, but just not those. I did use quite a few of the brads. I did use, oh, I was looking for that. Now I know where it went. Okay. I used like a partial sticker from this sheet. I was going to use one of these, but I didn't end up using it, and that's okay. Those will go back into my stash. And I used several of the stickers from here. Some of these tiny little bitty ones I used up. So let me show you the layout. Oh, I did use my embossing powder, and I did use my liquid pearls, and my stamp set is here. I used all those snowflake stamps. I really have to wash them up. My stamp pad was kind of dirty. And my layout is a little warped because of the heat embossing, but that's okay. It'll lay flat in the page protector. So you can see I did my embossing along the back side. It turned out okay. I haven't done it in a very long time, so it's kind of a little bit patchy, but I'm okay with it. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. And you can see I put the layout exactly like I said I was going to. I used my red dots. I used both my alphabets. I used the stickers. I used that 3x4 card. I used a piece of border strip here and here. I used a little sticker, and there's that tail end, that fish tail in there. I used brads along here and the tiny stickers, more brads and tiny stickers there. Yeah, and I called it good. So let me... And I will have some close-ups at the end. I don't know if you can see those silver liquid pearl drops that are there, but they're there, all mixed in with the snow. I think you get a better view of them right there. Yeah. So that's it. Layout number 5 is complete. As soon as it dries, it will be ready to go into the pile. I appreciate you guys being here. If you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in that. And if you've been here for a long time, thank you very much for your support. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.